Obubureberezi bwa South Rwenzori buri kujaguza emyaka 29 omureberezi w'obureberezi obunagira ngo obutabanguko omu maka buriyo nibweyongyera omu Kasese.
We are registering so many people committing suicide. We are registering many cases of people abandoning their families, both men and women. Children are escaping from their families. Kasese never used to have street kids.
Bishop bakuru nanjagira ngo ekiresere obutabanguko bw'omu maka bwayongyera n'obworo runkuku omu maka g'abengi.
Once men fail to rise what they are supposed to do, automatically they will not meet the needs in the family, and children and the wife will be violent. To the women, some of our women, because of the lack in homes, they have started some petty business, and some of them end up misusing themselves, misbehaving.
Reverend David Kagwa kurwa mu kitongole cha World Vision Uganda kandi obera umujyi mukuru wenashaba government kwerugayo ekanyweza kiragero ekirigamba abutabanguko bw'omu maka.
With organizations like World Vision that have models and approaches, we have a project that is running even here that is called Becoming One, that addresses intimate partner violence.
So I'm encouraging our Christians to commit their lives to Christ, and above all, I'm encouraging them to work hard, because now life is hard.
Bakuru b'amadini nibagira ngo habaho enkwatanisa ya buri omwe omu maka obutabanguko bw'omu maka n'obukwaho. Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi abwa TV West.